Has your client ever brought you an inspo photo for a haircut and you had no idea how to do it or where to even begin? Today, I'm here to show you a few roadmaps that'll make you feel confident every time with every haircut, and you'll know how to achieve that look. Our first roadmap that we're going to learn in Principles of Design is the vertical breakdown. Vertical breakdown is breaking down the head in vertical sections where the head changes direction, and it also helps us identify the natural falling position of the hair. So in order to start our sections, we're going to turn our mannequin to the side so you can see. We want to find the highest point of the head. So I'm going to place my comb flat on the top in the center here. Where it balances, that's the highest point of the head. This is my first point of reference, okay? So we're working in vertical sections with the hair in natural falling position. So now we've identified the high point of the head. We're going to come in and separate from the high point to the top of the ear. There we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and clip this out of the way. We're going to work in our front section first. And then I'm going to go ahead and clip this back section out of the way, keep everything clean. Next, I'm going to repeat on the opposite side. So I've already completed the left side from the high point to the top of the ear. Now I'm going on the right side from the high point to the top of the ear. I'm going to go ahead and clip this out of the way so I keep everything clean while I'm identifying my sections. Get the back clipped out of the way. Now we're going to find our front corners. In order to do that, what I'm going to do is place, let me turn this where you can see. I'm going to place one hand flat at the top of the ear. I'm going to place my other hand center front. Now this is creating a box. This is letting us know where the corner is happening because our head is round. Place our hands flat on the sides, create this box. Now I can round my fingers in, and this points me exactly to my change in direction. This is my front right corner. Let's go ahead and part this off vertically. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and clip this out of the way so it'll be nice and clean. I'm going to use my clip, legs up, clip it at the base just like that so it'll stay nice and clean. Coming in with my side section here on the right, and I'm going to clip that out of the way, legs up. Let's do the same thing on the left side. Remember how we found our corner was taking our hand flat at center front, flat at top of the ear, creating that box, roll in our fingers. That gives us our change in direction right here. And this is our left front corner. Let's get our vertical line in here, separate this hair. Clean that up a little bit more. There we go. Okay, now we're going to take this section again. My clip legs are up. I'm going to come in at the base, secure it, nice and clean. I can see those vertical sections, those vertical lines. Everything is nice and clean. Now I'm going to take this section, same thing, legs up, clip it out of the way, nice and secure. So now we have the front complete. Let's move to the back. Here we are. Let's take out our clips. Okay, let's find our center back. Center back is found by going from the high point to the center back at the nape hairline. So that's what we're going to do. Create a nice vertical line, very clean. Let's go ahead and see, make sure it's nice and clean. I see we need to clean it up a little right here. There we go. Now I'm going to clip one side out of the way so I can find the corner on the other side. So we're going to start with our right back corner here. And remember how we found it? Exactly. This time we're going to take our hand flat on the side of the ear, flat and center back. Create our box here. Roll in those fingers, This shows us that change in direction again, where the head curves. Let's go ahead and part off our right corner back here. Again, a nice clean vertical line. There we go. And we're going to take the clip again, legs up. Keep it nice and clean vertically so we can see those sections and our vertical partings are nice and clean. Again, legs up, clip it. We're almost there. Now we just have our left corner to find here. One last time. Our hand is flat at the top of the ear, flat at center back, where they create that box. Roll in those fingers. That shows us the change in direction for our left corner back. So let's part it off vertically. There we go. Remember, we got to clip it nice and clean again. Legs up on the clip, keeping that vertical section clean where we can see our partings. Last one. Now, this is how we section our head vertically for our haircut. Let's go over what the sections are numbered as well. We call these sections bevels. Each bevel is in a change of direction on the head and a vertical section. This is the natural falling position of the hair. This is where we place it vertically. We're going to start with numbering it on our left side. This is section 1. Then when we get to the back, sections 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 on our right side. Then the front is 7 and 8 in the fringe. That way we have a roadmap and us as hairstylists can understand another language of when we speak to each other about design.